Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a bit of a different video from me. Today I just wanted to give you a quick room tour of my small at-home gym because when I was looking to do a small gym at home, there wasn't many videos out there and I get quite a few questions about what weights I use and kettlebells and things. So I thought I would just give you a quick tour around because this is also the only room in the house that I haven't really shown you guys. Every other room has a tour and there's house tours. So if you haven't seen those or if you want to see those, I will put a link in the description to that playlist and you can see the rest of the house. But today I'm showing you my small at-home gym, which is 2.6 meters by 2.3 meters. So it's quite a small space and we basically renovated our entire house when we moved in 4 years ago. And this room, we actually wanted to make slightly bigger, but because of structural reasons, we couldn't. So we didn't know whether to make it an office or a small gym. But in the end, we made it a small gym. And as soon as I turned 40, a couple of years ago, I really got into working out and just thinking about my health a bit more, and it has kind of grown in the past 2 years. So I hope you really enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big like and feel free to subscribe and stick around for more content. And with all that said, let me just show you around. This is the hallway that kind of leads into the gym, and actually if my husband and I are both working out, we spill out into this hallway. We put a mat here and we kind of use both spaces, so that's pretty handy. Actually, even this bench over here for our boot room we'll use for like bench dips and things like that if we're both working out. So that's kind of this space. And then if you come into the gym, this is the gym here, there's a toilet just next door to it. So if I take you over here, this is my weight rack and I get so many questions about it, but actually I don't know if it's the most practical because it takes up quite a bit of space because it is a triangle. And I got all of the weights as like part of a package. So I went from 0.5 kilograms down to 10 kilograms, but actually I think I probably could have just started from 3 or 4 kilograms because now that I am a bit stronger, I kind of don't use these 4. So I'd probably get like a 4, a 5, a 7, and maybe like an 8 or a 10 if I was to do it again. But anyway, I've got all of them, and actually I've got a teenager who also likes to work out. My younger kids also grab the really small ones, so they haven't gone to waste. But yeah, I got this rack, I think it was on Amazon, and I personally really like the neoprene weights because they're really soft on your hands. Like I've been to a few gyms where they have the metal weights and I just find them really, really cold and they hurt my hands, whereas these ones are really nice and soft, and I liked that they were colorful as well. So that is my weight rack. I think if you are starting to work out at home, just having some free weights can make such a difference. Obviously there's so much body work you can do, but actually when you get to my age and you need to strength train because you want to keep your muscles, then getting some free weights is really, really great. Then over here on the windowsill, we've got some kettlebells. I really love to work out with kettlebells. I just find it really, really fun to swing them around and work out with them. So we've got loads of different weights here. I basically had this set first, and then I decided to get a neoprene set. So I've got a 10 kilogram, an 8, and a 6, and then I've got an 8, 5, and 3 over here as well. And again, if we're working out together, we can use like the various different weights as well. I've also got a bar pad just here, which I put onto the bar when I'm doing hip thrusts. When I do hip thrusts, I basically sit at the couch because it feels really nice on my back. But I've got that, which has helped with hip thrusts. And then in this little basket here, I've basically got some little gloves, which I use for deadlifts. If I'm doing a lot of deadlifts, sometimes it hurts my hands. So I've got these. These were actually my son's gymnastics gloves. And then in this basket, I've got loads of different bands, which are great for putting around your legs. It's amazing how much resistance they can give you, and they can be great for like building your legs and your booty. And they're also great if you go away on holiday but you want to carry on working out. You can pack these in your suitcase and then you can do like some band workouts when you're away. So I have really been loving them. And then I also have a few other bits, like for the bar, this just holds the weights onto there, but I just kind of like put it all into this basket to make it look nice and neat in here. This mirror is also from Amazon. I ordered it and my husband put it onto the wall, but obviously it's great when you're working out because you can actually see how your form is, how your muscles are, and you can see behind me, just here, we also had a TV put up in here. So because we renovated our house and this wall was actually brand new, we could put like a dip into the wall so it's kind of flush with the wall. We had the TV ready to go so we could do it to the exact size of the TV. So it just looks like it's flush with the wall. And obviously when you're working out, you can have music on, you can watch a show if you want to. So yeah, it's just nice to have. And then this frame is a new addition. Matt actually got me this for Mother's Day. How times have changed that I now get stuff like this for Mother's Day because he knows I'm getting really into like working out and stuff. And I did want one of those huge frames that goes onto the wall, but we just don't have the space in here. So this is a really good option because I can put a bar up here and then I can actually move this bench and then do squats like this. So you can obviously change the weights that are on either end. And now that I can squat about 40 kilograms, I was struggling to actually get the bar up and over, whereas with this I can just kind of like back into it and then do the squats. Or you can also have the bar just here and then use it for chest presses when you're on the bench. So it's brilliant. And this bench is also on wheels, so you can move it out of the way. I don't know if I should just show, you can like wheel it out of the way so that when you are squatting like this, you can just go like that and then do your squats. Or sometimes you can like turn around and actually look in the mirror as well. So I love it for that. And then this bench is also nice and flat. You can obviously go like that, sorry. You can also make it a chair. So if you're doing like over the head raises, you can sit there with free weights and then do that and obviously see in the mirror. I also have a tiny bit of space in this part of the room where I can actually put a mat down. So if you're doing like any core work or anything like that, you can obviously like sit here. So I can be here, do any core work, like do like Russians, mountain climbers, stuff like that. Or I can do like stretches here as well. And then I've also just like got all of the weights to one side that are for the bar. So we've got 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. So I can change it for various things. Obviously, if I'm doing a deadlift, I can go quite heavy now, about 65 kilograms, or 70 is my PB. But obviously if I'm doing like squats or chest presses, I will go a bit lighter. So I'm like constantly changing them. The only other thing that I have is this little ab roller. Fraser actually likes this more than me. I find it quite tricky to do, but you basically just roll it out in front of you on the floor and you really feel it in the top of your abs. And I also ordered this bar over here by accident. It's a bit too big for this room because it's quite a small space, but it is a set 20 kilograms. So sometimes it can come in handy. So I just kind of like put it there in the corner if I need it. But yeah, I think that is everything that I wanted to show you guys in this room. I have found as a mum of 3, like I find it very difficult to actually get to a gym. So this has been amazing for me, and this is off of our main living area. So if the kids are like just hanging out watching TV, I can quickly come in here and do a little 30-minute workout. That is generally how long I work out for. I find it more difficult to fit in a whole hour. So I try to do 3 to 4 30-minute sessions a week, and I use an app. It's called Trainwell. I actually worked with them and I did a whole review on it, so you can go and check that out if you want to find out more about it. I won't go on about it too much, but I personally love it because it means I have an actual person that makes me accountable for doing the workouts, and it's really meant that I've stuck to them. I'm just really enjoying working out now. It has definitely taken me a long time to get to this point, but now I'm feeling the benefits of it. Like the other day I actually woke up with a headache, and instead of taking a paracetamol, I did a workout and I felt so much better for it. And I think, yeah, as I'm getting older, it's just making me think more and more about my health and all of the benefits and everything. So anyway, ask me any questions that you have. If I was to start from the very beginning, I would probably get a 3 kilogram, a 5 kilogram, a 7 and a 9 maybe. And that would be like a really good start. And then like a mat as well. And that's probably all you need, maybe a couple of bands. But yeah, ask me any questions that you have and I will link as much as I can in the description down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! One more thing that I wanted to tell you guys about is I have found the best dupe for Lululemon. It's actually on Amazon, but it feels so nice and soft. It even looks like Lululemon, like it has a bit of a fake logo on the back and it is a fraction of the price. So I will also link to this dupe on Amazon. It comes in loads of different colors and I'm really enjoying wearing them. So I'll share that. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon.